Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Welcome to the month of February. In February, it is the beginning of second semester, so let's start strong. The first week at the Internet Academy, you want to make sure that you have the correct number of classes. If you are full-time with IA, you are probably taking 5 classes total. Make sure to ask your advisor if you are not sure, and begin working immediately. If something needs to be fixed with any of your classes, or if you have any questions about your Canvas dashboard, make sure to ask your advisor or another teacher if something needs to be fixed or if you have any questions. There are many things happening in the month of February. One of those big days is Valentine's Day, which actually has a little bit of a dark past, how it got started. But today we celebrate Valentine's Day on the 14th of February. Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? Another big holiday in the month of February is President's Day, which is technically on the 17th of February. This year we observe President's Day on the 20th, which is a Monday. So there's a 3-day weekend, which means that there's no school on Monday, the 20th. And then all month long for the month of February is Black History Month. One of the reasons that Black History Month got started was to focus attention on the contributions of African Americans to the United States. Notable figures include Martin Luther King Jr., Thurgood Marshall, who was the first African American Supreme Court Justice. Another is Mae Jemison, who is the first female African-American astronaut, NASA astronaut, into space. And another notable figure is Barack Obama, who was the first elected African-American to the presidency of the United States. All right, I am going to be posting some more links and information on my pages, on my class home pages, if you are interested in more information for Black History Month. Have a great month, everybody. Start off strong, and please make sure that you send me messages through the inbox if you have questions on anything.